Hello world, Shelly here, and today we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of another dupe eyeshadow palette from CColor Cosmetics. This is the CColor Cherry Palette, which is a near dupe for the Urban Decay Cherry Naked Cherry. So I'm going to do one on one side, one on the other side, and I'll tell you at the end which one was which. I will switch my brush off, color wipe, wow, words. Wipe the color off in a color switch in between each one. So that is the plan. Let's zoom in and do this. Since the CColor palette does not have names on the shades, I'm going to use the names listed on the Naked Cherry palette, but the CColor palette is arranged in the same order, so they should be, we'll call them comparable, shall we? All right, let's do this. I am going to start out, let's see, with the shade Feels. This is a Wayne Goss 03 brush. Next, I'm going to take my Sigma E25 and the shade Devilish and put this in the lower crease. Next, I'm going to take my MAC 233 and the shade Drunk Dial and use that in the outer third. Gonna have to dip back in on this one. Next, I'm going to go in with Bang Bang on the inner portion of the lid. I'm going to have to dip back in. There we go. With the Makeup Geek Outer V brush, I'm using the shade Privacy to deepen the outer 7. You should go visit Nisha at Sugar Puff and Fluff if you don't watch her already. She coined that term. At least as far as I know. I'm dipping back in with both brands this time. I feel like the Bang Bang shimmer on this side is not quite as pronounced as this side, so I'm going to try fingertip application. This is a little bit more peachy, this is a little more pinky. But the shimmer on this is just kind of disappointing. And to be fair, I'll give this side a little fingertip boost. Even though I don't think it needed it. I'm going to use the shade Turn On my pinky for inner corner highlight. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take a smudger brush and let's go with Let's go with Drunk Dial again. The outer third or so. Maybe outer half. And then what's left, I'll just take the rest of the way very lightly. I'm going to take Hot Spot on the brow bone. Let me do some liner mascara. I'll be right back. Here is the finished look. Okay, have you formulated your guesses? Which side is CColor? Which side is Urban Decay? Are you ready? Urban Decay is on this side, CColor's on this side. What do you think? I think it's a doggone good dupe. I have not been disappointed yet by a CColor eyeshadow palette, and they're very reasonably priced. I don't know, can you tell the difference? The undertones, maybe a little bit different. Let's look at them swatched next to each other. CColor's on the top, Urban Decay is on the bottom. Very, very similar, very much the same. I would go CColor all day long, twice on Sundays. There you have it, my side-by-side look at the CColor Cosmetics Cherry Palette next to the Urban Decay Naked Cherry Palette. If you enjoy these sort of dupe side-by-side videos, give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And as always, I appreciate your time. Thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.